This video will make you understand the successive percentage problems. So, what is successive percentages? Just for example, uh, the salary of an employee first increased by 10 percentage, then another percentage. Then what is the total or net percentage increase? Like that, the question is asked. How we do these like problems? Just take initial salary as 100. From 100, 10 percentage is 10, so 110, and another 10 percentage from 110. In 110, 10 percentage is 11. If it increases by 11, 121. So how much is increased from initial? From 100 it is increased to 21, so 21 is increased from 100, so net percentage increase is 21 percentage. So this is the traditional method. So how can we solve these questions very easily and fastly? That we see in this class. So first question is, Arun's salary was first decreased by 50 percentage and subsequently increased by 50 percentage. Then how much percentage did he lose? Just we solve this problem in traditional method and then go to uh, fast method. Okay. So in this type of firstly note that if questions contains only percentages, we can take any value as initial salary. Let me take 1000 or 100. So just take 1000 as initial salary. First it is decreased by how much percentage? It is decreased by 50 percentage. In 1000 the 50 percentage is 500. So it is decreased by 5000. So now the salary is 500 and then increased by 50 percentage. The 500 is increased by 50 percentage. So in 500 50 percentage is 250. So increased by 250 means 500 plus 250 750. So the final salary is 750. So as comparing with 1000, 750 is 250 less. So 250 is less from 1000. So with the 1000, it is how much percentage? So it is 25 percentage. So the person loses 25 percentage. So this is the traditional method. Just see how to solve in fast method. So like we see that. So there is a formula, successive increase or decrease formula. So that is plus or minus a plus or minus b plus or minus AB by 100. So this is the formula. We have to know this formula. So first it is decreased by 50 percentage. So here we have plus or minus. Decreased means minus. So minus 50. Then increased by 50. So plus or minus. Increased by 50 means plus. Plus 50. Then here minus. Here plus. So plus into minus minus. We should put here the minus. So 50 into 50 by 100. So minus 50 plus 50 cancelled, minus 0 0 cancel, minus 25 percentage. So overall it is a loss of 25 percentage. So hereafter we solve the all problems through this formula. Here two successive increase. So here also the two successive price increase of 25 percentage and 25 percentage of article equivalent to single price increase of how much percentage? Here, an article price is successively increases by 25 percentage. First increase by 25 percentage and then increase it by 25 percentage. So we have formula plus or minus a plus or minus b plus or minus ab by 100. We have to use that. Here both percentages are increased. So we have plus s plus 25, another plus 25. What should we do now? Plus into plus plus. So plus 25 into 25 by 100. So 25 plus 25, 50 plus 625 by 100, 6.25. 26.25. So totally 56.25 percentage is the net percentage increase. So let's go to the next sum. Ravi's salary was increased by 50 percentage. After some time, his new salary was also increased by 50 percentage. Find the gain percentage of salary. uh, the salary of Ravi was first increased by 50 percentage, and from that increased salary it is again increased by 50 percentage. So the total increase is asked in this question. So we know that formula plus or minus a plus or minus b plus or minus ab by 100. So here increase, both are increase in salary, so we have to put 50 plus. So plus 50 plus 50 plus 50 into 50 by 100. So 0 0 0 0 cancel. 100 plus 25, 125 percentage. So this is the answer. So next one is, the salary of an employee is increased by 10 percentage and then increased salary is reduced by 20 percentage. Then find the loss in salary of the employee. So how much salary is lost by employee in percentage they asked. Okay. So here the employee's salary was first increased by 10 percentage, and then it was, from the increased salary it is reduced by 10 percentage. Then how much percentage he lose or gain? So mostly he loses. Okay. So we know the formula. So first increases, so plus 20. So next it is reduced, so minus, sorry, so it is increased by 10 percentage only. So I have put 20 percentage. So plus 10, and then reduce it by 10 percentage. So minus 10, plus into minus, minus. So 10 into 10 by 100. So plus 10 minus 10 cancel. So minus 1. So loss of 1 percentage is here. So the last sum. Here there is no increase in salary like that the sum is. Here the number, there is one number, it is increased by first 25 percentage, and then the number is decreased by 16 percentage. Then overall number less than or more than the original number is. So like that they asked. Here the number is increased or decreased, that is what they asked, that percentage was asked. So first number is increased by 25 percentage. So plus 25, and then decreased by 16 percentage. So minus 16, plus into minus, minus 25 into 16 by 100. So 25 fours are 100, 4 fours are 16. So 25 minus 16 minus 4, it is minus 20. So 25 minus 20 equal to 5 percentage. So it is plus 5 percentage. So at last the number is increased from the original number by 5 percentage. So answer is C. So thank you for watching.